Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have t squared, t to the power of 3, t to the power of 4. So in this situation, we can do about factorization. So we have t squared minus 2t plus 1. So this one is about identity. So we put about t minus 1 everything to the power over of 2. The square root and the power 2 we can change into the absolute value of t multiplied by t minus 1. And this one we have t squared minus t. We know that the absolute value always provides the positive number. So we need to find the value of t squared minus t equal to number 0. So we have two solutions in here. That's about t equals to number 0 and t equals to number 1. So bigger coefficient of t squared is about number 1 in here. That means this is about positive. So we draw the table in here. So we have the table. So we have 0 and number 1. This is about positive. This is about negative. So we have 0, 0 because t squared with number 1 is about coefficient positive. So the sign on the right in here should be about positive. This one negative. This one positive. But the integration we just calculate from negative number 3 to number 0. That means this area in here, because this area is positive, so we can write about t squared minus t without negative sign in here, because this area is about positive. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of t squared, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. And we put the bounds from negative number 3 to number 0. And now we can get the final answer. So we put number 0 in here. Number 0 in here. Negative number 3 in here. Negative number 3 in here. And now we can get the final answer. We have 27 over 2. And this is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.